Hey guys! So for today's video, I'm gonna be reviewing the ube cupcake that I bought from Pack and Save Alpha Hut. So it's $6.79 for 6 cupcakes. Alright, of course, we're gonna partner it with Kopiko. Syempre, manamit ang cupcake with kape. Alright. Smell test. Wow, smell test. Ubeng-ube ang amoy. Ang hamot niya. Smells like ube. Legit ube. And here, the icing. Wow, paano ang amana? Alright. I hope it's clear. Pa-clear mo siya, ha? Okay. Taste test. Dough cake sa bakery. Ang icing, kita mo lang ang icing sa cake sa mga bakery, bake shop sa Pinas. Tastes like that. So it's available in Pack and Save Alpha Hut. Pakala mo guys. Shout out sa Pinoy nga naga-bake dira. Thank you. Legit. 10 out of 10. Wow. 5-star rating. Of course, pati natin sa coffee. Sa kape ko. Kape ko halin sa tindahan ni Kuya Ronnie. Kuya Ron, shout out. Baka naman. Namit. Namit is yummy. Namit siya, guys. Alright. Bye. Call it a day.